The Nothing Phone 3 has rapidly become the centerpiece of discussions among smartphone enthusiasts. Recent insights from a leaked internal email by CEO Carl Pei confirm that this device will represent a significant milestone for the brand, introducing breakthrough innovations in user interface and featuring AI-powered capabilities to compete with the industry's finest. Originally planned for 2024, the Phone 3's release was delayed to prioritize the development of advanced AI systems. Pei emphasized the company's focus on enhancing its camera hardware and software teams by 50%, setting the stage for a more robust and user-friendly device. In recent developments, a fresh rumor has surfaced on Reddit, generating significant buzz. A reliable tech tipster, Digital Chat Station, hinted that the Nothing Phone 3 might feature an action button, reminiscent of the iPhone 16. Notably, CEO Carl Pei had already teased this feature last year in a sneak peek of Nothing OS 3 on his X account. While some have criticized this addition as imitative of Apple, others see it as a natural evolution in smartphone technology. Speculation points to the Nothing Phone 3 boasting advanced AI features, flagship-level hardware, and a range of upgrades designed to enhance user experience. Reports suggest the phone could include up to 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage. At its core, it is expected to run on Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, ensuring top-tier performance. Additionally, a triple-camera setup featuring a state-of-the-art telephoto lens promises to raise the bar in mobile photography. Coupled with a 5,000 mAh battery and 45-watt fast charging, users can expect lasting performance throughout the day. The smartphone's rumored action button, enabling users to control various functions effortlessly, has been a focal point of discussions. While critics label it as a direct copy of Apple's innovation, it could prove to be a game-changing feature that aligns perfectly with Nothing's vision of seamless user interaction. These combined features position the Nothing Phone 3 as a futuristic and highly capable device. With speculation mounting, many anticipate that Nothing will unveil its flagship during the Mobile World Congress in March 2025 in Barcelona, Spain. The Phone 3 isn't coming alone. Reports suggest Nothing might also introduce the Nothing Phone 3 Pro alongside its standard model. The Pro variant is expected to cater to enthusiasts seeking premium performance, likely boasting even more advanced specifications and an elite feature set. Additionally, a budget-friendly Phone 3a could join the lineup, offering a broader range of choices for consumers. As for pricing, the Nothing Phone 3 is rumored to cost approximately $600, aligning it with other flagship phones on the market. What are your thoughts on the rumored action button? Do you see it as an innovation or an imitation? Share your opinions in the comments and subscribe for more updates.